This is a quick recipe for treats for your dog. I start with 3 cups of oatmeal, 3 cups of oatmeal, and 2 eggs. Next, you add 1.5 cups of whole wheat flour and 1.5 cups of water. 3 cups of oatmeal, 2 eggs, 1.5 cups of whole wheat flour, 1.5 cups of water, a tablespoon of baking soda or baking powder, and then the last ingredient, it's a breath freshener. It's a bunch of parsley. I'm going to put it in at 350 degrees for 12 to 15 minutes. First, I'll mix it up. This is really good for digestion. It's good for their breath. It's good for their intestines. It's good for their coat, the oatmeal, the flour, and the eggs. Makes it nice and shiny. And I have less than, way less than $1 worth of ingredients there. Maybe 50 cents worth of ingredients. Then I just take a pizza cutter, cut it into chunks. So that's what they look like. You could make them as thick as you wanted. Leave it. Go boy, get it. Go boy. Oh yeah.
Put him in good position and he knocks the football down.
I think he likes it, Dad.
Second down coming up. Here's the handoff and they'll run. Get past the first 20. Gains 50. You see a long run like that. You know what it does? It just breaks the will of the defense. In the NFL, it's all about passing. We see all these wonderful things. But when it comes down to it, who can win the war from? If you win the war,
Is that good? Is that good? I don't have any more. All gone. Go place.